QuickBooks is retiring its POS system. Here's everything you need to know. If you operate a store and use QuickBooks Point of Sale, you may have gotten some disturbing news recently. QuickBooks is retiring its POS system. While this may create some concern at first, there is no reason to be worried. In this video, we'll explain all you need to know about the issue and explain why switching to Shopify Point of Sale is the best potential answer for your shop. What is going on with QuickBooks POS? The short explanation is that QuickBooks will no longer develop or maintain its point-of-sale system. This implies that if you're presently utilizing QuickBooks POS, you'll need to find an alternate solution. Why is QuickBooks eliminating its point-of-sale system? While we don't have all of the specifics, it appears like QuickBooks is suspending its POS system in order to focus on other parts of its company. QuickBooks will continue to develop and maintain its accounting software, so if you use both QuickBooks Point of Sale and QuickBooks Accounting, you can be certain that your accounting software will continue to function properly. What is the greatest QuickBooks POS substitute? There are several solutions available, but by far the best is Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify has long been the premier e-commerce platform. Its point-of-sale system is incredibly user-friendly and works perfectly with Shopify's online shop platform. In other words, if you already use Shopify to run your online business, switching to Shopify POS will be simple. In addition, Shopify provides 24/7 help in the event that you encounter any issues. Click the link below to speak with a professional about if switching is the best option for you. QuickBooks is terminating its point-of-sale system, which implies that store owners who are already using QuickBooks POS must find an alternate option. The good news is that Shopify POS is the ideal answer for every business owner in need of a new point-of-sale system. It not only integrates easily with Shopify's online shop platform, but it also provides 24/7 help in the event that you have any issues. So, if you're seeking for a new POS system, go no further than Shopify Point of Sale. Click the link below to speak with an expert one-on-one.